Better get going.
Come on, let's go play.
Oh, I wish I could, but I have to go to work. Bye! Okay, here I am at work. Now we can play.
It's here. Meet the mouth-watering Beyond Barbecue Cheeseburger from Carl's Jr. It's an absolute game changer. We invented the game, and we're still f***ing crushing it. The all-new Beyond Barbecue Cheeseburger. All of the burger flavor, none of the meat.
The new $2 Cheesy Double Beef Burritos. A 3-cheese blend with melty nacho cheese sauce and double the seasoned beef. And it comes in spicy. It's like we read your mind. Try the new $2 Cheesy Double Beef Burritos now at Taco Bell.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Enjoy our delicious 2 for $5 select breakfast sandwiches. Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, sausage McMuffin with egg, and egg McMuffin. Breakfast just got a whole lot better.
Wait.
Okay.